What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about lights, things of that nature. Guys, no question is a dumb question. Someone said, can you go over lights? I know it's a dumb... No, it's not dumb. It's something that you want to know. There's different types of lights out there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. First thing I have, guys, is just your regular old Bic. Everybody has a birthday. Some people have 2 birthdays. I know I have 2 birthdays. Long story. So a Bic lighter. You guys can go to Walmart. Get them. You guys, I mean, those that do shop at Walmart, they're about, you can get about 5 in a pack, 6 in a pack, I forget, for like $2.50. Maybe even less than that now. Well, maybe more because of tariffs, but who knows. So yeah, guys, a lighter. Next, guys, is a headlamp. You guys seen numerous headlamps that I've had. I highly recommend you guys get the red ones. Reason being, it's a little bit harder to see you at night. So compare it, you're gonna walk around with white light, and it's like, well, we don't need to white light anything. Why don't you go ahead and just turn on the red light? And as you guys can see, it has less of a print, so you can say. I know there's a scientific term for it, can't think of it right now, so yeah. Next, guys, is a flashlight. I showed you guys this, the one before from the self-defense video, but I forgot to mention, this flashlight has 2 settings on it. Yeah, it's an Ozark. I really don't care. It's from Walmart. I bought this before the whole ban and stuff. Don't come for me. I forgot to mention the in and out zoom that's on here. So for whatever reason you need to be more precise, you go ahead and pull it out, and it's like that. Show you guys real quick. You guys can see it like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in, and it just makes it bigger. So yeah, those that are walking around with flashlights with something along these lines, that's why I like this one too. Go ahead and strike people with it too. Those that are walking around with flashlights, there you go. So go ahead and make sure it's zoomed out. So yeah. Next, guys, is a lantern, something along those lines. I actually just bought this from Harbor Freight maybe like a week or so, maybe 2 weeks ago. Bought about 6 of them. I did have the other ones from Maker's Mark, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how bright this one is. So pretty bright. It's actually brighter than the ones I had from Maker's Mark. So ended up selling those ones, and I bought a bunch of these. Only $5, guys. Yeah. Next one is for emergencies. You're on the road, things of that nature. I'm not going to show the name because I'm not sponsored, but you can find these at Harbor Freight. So yeah. And what it is, guys, show you guys real quick. It has 3 settings. That last setting is the most important one, because you can, actually, before I get into that, there is a magnet on the bottom. So what you can do is you can go ahead, put this on, you know, the back of your vehicle, either on the bumper if your bumper's metal like mine is, or go ahead and put it on the actual trunk, and you go ahead and turn that on, and you let people know that you have an emergency. So yeah. Next, guys, is weapons lights. You've already seen my weapon. I don't need to go over my weapon, but yeah. So show you guys real quick, push pad, things of that nature. So yeah. What I don't have, guys, is the helmet lights. So you also, just like I showed you guys with the headlamp, they do make helmet lights that you can attach to your Go Fast helmets, things of that nature. I had the light, I ended up selling it. I don't know why I did that. So yeah, I gotta go find another one if I can. So yeah. And then the last thing, guys, is a weapons light. That I ended up selling. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I sold it because it was a rechargeable battery. I'm not gonna talk about the brand. Most of you guys know what brand uses rechargeable batteries for handguns and things of that nature. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get a weapons light for my G19 and also my G21. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Like I always say, be blessed, be vigilant, stay out of trouble, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right.